How to delete your YouTube channel permanently. So the very first thing you want to do is to head over to your application YouTube and make sure you are logged into your account that you want to delete. Tap on You at the bottom right corner and then tap on View Channel. Tap on this three dot at the top right corner and then click on Help and Feedback. Well, in the search bar, search for delete. Tap on Delete or Hide your YouTube channel. Over here, tap on Delete your channel permanently. Scroll down and tap on YouTube Studio. Well, it will open up your channel on YouTube Studio. At the bottom left corner, tap on this gear icon. And then tap on Channel. Head over to Advanced Settings. Scroll all the way down and tap on Manage YouTube Account. You will be landing on this interface. Click on View Advanced Settings. Here you'll find the option of Delete Channel. Click on it. Tap on Continue. And then tap on I want to permanently delete my content. You need to tap on both of these checkbox. Once you are done, tap on Delete my content at the bottom right corner. And your YouTube channel will be permanently deleted and you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this was a tutorial video on how to delete your YouTube channel permanently. I really hope this video is gonna be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.